In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll vertically and horizontally in draw.io. First, make sure you have draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, open in your browser. If you're starting from scratch, you'll typically see a new, untitled diagram. This is the standard canvas where you build your flowcharts, diagrams, or wireframes. Take a second to let the interface load fully, because some of the scroll behavior depends on the canvas being active and selected. Once your diagram is open, move your mouse over the main white drawing area, the canvas. This is important. Many of the scrolling controls only work when your cursor is positioned over the canvas itself, not over the side panels or menus. Now, to scroll vertically, you can use your mouse wheel or trackpad. With your cursor over the canvas, simply scroll up or down, and the diagram will move vertically. If you're on a laptop with a touchpad, use a two-finger swipe up or down. This is the most natural way to move through taller diagrams that extend beyond the visible area. To enable horizontal scrolling, you have a couple of options. The first one is to use your mouse wheel together with a modifier key. With your cursor still over the canvas, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and scroll with the mouse wheel. Instead of moving up and down, the diagram will now move left and right. This is very useful when your diagram is wide and you need to see items that are off to the sides. On many touchpads, you can also perform a two-finger swipe left or right to move horizontally across your diagram. Make sure you're still hovering over the canvas area and adjust the speed of your swipe to control how far you move. If you prefer on-screen controls, look for the scroll bars that appear along the bottom and right edges of the canvas. You can click and drag these bars to move vertically or horizontally. This method is especially handy if you're using a device without a mouse wheel or gesture-based touchpad. As you scroll, keep an eye on the mini-map or overview panel if you have it enabled. It gives you a quick sense of where you are in a large diagram so you don't lose track of your content. That's all you need to smoothly scroll both vertically and horizontally in draw.io, making it much easier to navigate complex diagrams and keep your work organized on the canvas.